Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring 6 amazing types of berries, packed with nutrients, antioxidants and vibrant flavors, and sharing delicious recipe ideas for each. Let's dive in. First up, blueberries, the ultimate superfood. Just a handful of these tiny blue gems can boost your memory, concentration, and even improve blood pressure and reaction time. Blueberries are loaded with polyphenols, especially anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress in the body. These compounds can also enhance insulin sensitivity, reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes. Recipe idea: blueberry baked oats, a perfect way to start your morning. Next, goji berries. These bright red pips pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Like blueberries, they're high in polyphenols, which protect your cells from damage and fight aging, weakened immunity, and even cancer. They're also a fantastic source of vitamin A, which promotes good eye health and reduces age-related vision problems. Recipe idea: quinoa tabbouleh with goji berries, a vibrant, healthy dish that's great for lunch or dinner. The UK's most popular raspberries are the red ones, but did you know black raspberries contain even more antioxidants? These berries are rich in L-argitannins, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation. Reducing inflammation can lower the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and Alzheimer's. Recipe idea: raspberry and apple smoothie, a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink for any time of the day. Acai berries might not be as easy to find, but they're worth the effort. Known for their deep purple color and high antioxidant levels, they're a favorite of fitness influencers. Acai berries can also help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, making them great for managing diabetes. Recipe idea: acai bowl, a vibrant, Instagram-worthy breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Cranberries are famous for their ability to combat urinary tract infections or UTIs. However, fresh or frozen cranberries are more effective than cranberry juice, which loses many of its antioxidants during processing. Recipe idea: goat's cheese, sunflower seed and cranberry salad. A tangy, flavorful salad perfect for any meal. Last but not least, strawberries. Just one serving provides your full daily dose of vitamin C while being low in calories and high in fiber. These sweet berries also contain vitamin K and magnesium, which support heart health and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Recipe idea: vegan strawberry pancakes, a sweet and satisfying treat for breakfast or dessert. Berries aren't just delicious, they're a powerhouse of nutrients that can boost your health in countless ways. From reducing inflammation to supporting heart health and even fighting infections, there's a berry for every need. Which berry is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more healthy tips and recipes. See you in the next video.